Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an online class with Thinkific, complete guide step by step clearly. To create an online class with Thinkific, start by visiting thinkific.com. Sign up for a free account by entering your email address and creating a password. Once you've confirmed your account, log in to your Thinkific dashboard. Click on the Create Course button to begin the course creation process. Choose the type of course you want to create, such as live, pre-recorded, or cohort-based. Fill in the title and subtitle of your course, making sure they are engaging and descriptive. Next, add a course description that outlines the learning objectives and what students can expect. Upload a course image that represents your content, giving a professional look to your course. Now it's time to set the curriculum structure. Click on Add section to create modules or units for your course. Within each section, click Add Lesson to create individual lessons. You can choose various lesson types, such as video, text, quizzes, or surveys. To upload content, select the lesson type and follow the prompts to add your materials. For video lessons, you can upload from your device or link from services like YouTube. After adding your content, make sure to save your changes. Once your curriculum is complete, set the pricing for your course. Navigate to the Pricing tab and choose whether you want to offer it for free, one-time payment, or a subscription model. Consider offering discounts or coupon codes to attract more students. Next, customize your course's look and feel by adjusting the settings in the Design tab. You can change colors, fonts, and layout settings to match your branding. Review all the settings thoroughly to ensure everything looks as you intended. Finally, before launching, go through the course preview to check how it appears from a student's perspective. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your course live. Congratulations, you have successfully created an online class using Thinkific. Now you can promote your course and start attracting students. Monitor engagement and feedback to improve your course over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.